Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another 99-cent only store haul. We have a helper here today. So we're going to try to make this video as quick and sweet as possible. As you guys can see, this is pretty much just the snack run. That's the only reason why I really ran into the 99-cent store this week is because of the snack run. And that they had quite a bit of and a good selection of. Let's start with the let's start with the non-food items right now. We're having a little issue with the bugs right now. So I came across, I did not open that kit that I hauled in a different video, the Terminex kit, but I did come across this spray which seemed like a lot easier to use than the kit, which is the Terminex Safe Shield Natural Indoor Insect Control, Fast Acting, and right here, safe around kids and pets. So this will probably retail you a good $5 or more in a regular store, retail store. It was only 99 cents for this bottle. We're having a problem with like moths, mosquitoes, and gnats right now. These brushes here, I'm actually about to do a video on all kind of brushes that I've gotten from the 99-cent store that are fabulous. Look how gorgeous these are. You can't tell me these are not absolutely gorgeous. They had about 4 other brushes with the same barrel but different tops, but we all know I am not in need of any brushes, so I purchased in moderation. But they were 99 cents a piece. Only 99 cents for these beautiful brushes. Food items. Let's just go ahead and go from right to left here. Crinkle cut fries. This is a frozen bag. I'm not sure. I've never had this brand before, but it's 32 ounce of frozen French fries. Clover Valley. That's a well-known brand. Only 99 cents for this bag. We've got some Jan's sea salt sweet potato chips, gluten-free. They look also known as yams chips. They look like they're kettle cooked, so they might be a little hard and crunchy, but they do look like they're going to be really, really good. I hadn't seen these there before. 99 cents for that bag. The cereal. Yes, I just hauled cereal like last week, and I knew it'd be gone in over the weekend, and it took 3 days to get rid of all the cereal that I just hauled last week. So, the Rice Krispie Spring colors. 99 cents a box. Got 2 boxes of those. The Family Kellogg's Donut Shop chocolate ones. Family size, $1.99 for this box. Apparently there's just not enough food, not enough snack stuff for the children to make on their own. So they had the actual cup noodles there for $1. Normally the cup noodles are like 99 cents a piece, and the packed noodles are like 5 for 99, sometimes 19 for 99 cents, but they had the cup noodles 3 for 99 cents. So I got $4 worth of those. Townhouse cookies, probably going to do some tuna this week. And you can't go wrong with crackers and stuff, especially in my house. 99 cents for the Townhouse cookies that retail you like $3 or more in a regular retail store. You guys see this variety pack of Special K pastry bars. 36 count, guys. 36 count. 99 cents for that box, okay? Pop-Tarts, of course, they went bananas over the watermelon Pop-Tarts. The value pack, they still had some of these, so I went ahead and grabbed the 16 value pack for 99 cents. More crackers, and I think an 8-pack, 99 cents. Holidays are coming. Time to make treats. Nestle. Dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and premium white morsels, 99 cents for the regular bag. This is going to run you an easy $4 to $5 in a retail grocery store. Only 99 cents for that bag. Grapes, they had on sale for 99 cents a piece. They were fresh grapes that they just put out. So in great condition, I went ahead and grabbed some. I was a little thirsty while I was there. They do have the Snapples. I'm so sad that Snapple doesn't have the glass jar anymore and that they moved on to plastic. I knew it was just a matter of time, but they were holding on to the original glass jars, and I couldn't have been more happy. And now I can't be more sad because they're moved on to plastic. But anyway, 99 cents for the Snapple there. Cinnamon Frosted Flakes, 99 cents for each box. This was new there, the Captain Crunch Peanut Butter. I'm not sure, they'll eat it. The boys, They're hungry, cereal, they'll eat it. But we've never had these before, so we'll see. 3 times bigger pieces. So they must have done this cereal once before with tiny pieces. Didn't go so well. Limited edition. They're going to like the peanut butter cereal, I'm sure. So that's it for this quick snack 99-cent store haul this week. Guys, make sure you are good to each other. Make sure you are taking care of yourself and yours on the best dollar possible. That's the point of these 99-cent store videos, to hopefully help someone else out who needs to sustain themselves and someone else on their best dollar, and to also commune with each other. Until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like these videos and want to see more, feel free to subscribe. Feel free to hit the button, the bell next to the subscribe, so we can catch up with each other and never miss each other. All right? Until next time, talk to you guys later. Ciao.